Imagine a world where the dream of total independence is realized through the power of artificial intelligence. We begin with a blank canvas of nature. This is a journey into the future of Lavinga, fully autonomous AI-designed homestead built from the ground up on this very land. First, the AI begins its work. It scans every inch of the topography, calculating soil composition, wind patterns, and the precise path of the sun. Holographic schematics emerge from the dust. This isn't just a house, it's a perfectly optimized ecosystem, designed for maximum efficiency and zero waste. The AI determines the ideal location for the main structure, ensuring it captures the warmth of the winter sun while staying cool during the summer heat. With the plan finalized, construction begins. We watch as days turn into seconds in a high-speed time-lapse of technological precision. Materials are sourced and placed with robotic accuracy. The structure is built using eco-friendly, high-insulation materials that will stand the test of time. The exterior finishes are applied sleek, modern, and designed to blend seamlessly with the natural colors of the surrounding environment. Now, the heart of the home. Power. High-efficiency solar panels are installed on the roof, positioned by the AI for maximum energy harvest. Inside, massive battery storage units are integrated, capable of powering the entire homestead for days, even when the sun doesn't shine. The focus shifts to water. An atmospheric water generator begins its work, pulling moisture from the air to fill the underground city. Next to the main house, a large glass structure begins to assemble. This is the greenhouse, the homestead's primary food source. Inside, the AI manages a sophisticated hydroponic and aquaponic system. Nutrient-rich water flows through vertical growing towers. As night falls, the greenhouse transforms. Purple LED grow lights activate, providing the plants with the specific spectrum they need to grow faster. Beyond the greenhouse, the AI plans the orchard. Using precision irrigation, it plants rows of fruit and nut trees in a perfectly organized grid. Small, autonomous drones hover above the trees. They monitor the health of every leaf, identifying pests or nutrient deficiencies before they become a problem. The homestead is also home to a smart livestock area. Shelters are built to provide optimal comfort for animals. With automated climate control, robotic farm assistants move along the perimeter, managing feeding schedules and ensuring the livestock remain healthy and secure. Waste is never wasted here. An integrated composting system managed by the AI converts all organic material back into rich soil for the orchards. As the weeks pass in our time lapse, the barren land is gone. In its place is a lush, vibrant paradise that produces its own power and food. The AI continues to learn and adapt, fine-tuning the systems to the changing seasons and ensuring the homestead remains in perfect balance. This is more than just a home. It's a testament to how technology can empower us to live sustainably without sacrificing modern comfort. The digital grid that once planned this land now fades away, leaving behind a reality that was once only a futuristic concept. Future Living AI Homestead, a perfect harmony of nature and innovation. Your autonomous future starts here.